For those looking for a job, let's look at all of the available features. First, click on Job Listing, then click on the button Job Profile and log on. If you do not have a logon, then go to the free registration button and register. If you are a regular WHIPeX user, this area does not apply to you. Let's continue. The Your Job Profile is where you can update your profile. Fill in all of the fields that apply. The web link can go to your website, your Facebook page, or other social networks. LinkedIn is a field to refer others to your page on LinkedIn if that applies. Profile title. This is where you can start to promote yourself. Companies often search using keywords. Resume is where you can add your job history, your skills, your goals and interests, and more. Be aware that we recommend not putting contact information here, as this field is open to the public. Photo. Your choice to add a photo here. Simply click on, choose, and upload a file like any other web service. Attachment. This is where you can upload your resume on a Word document or PDF file. The information is only available to prospective companies that are users of WHIPeX. Password. You can change your password here, 6 to 16 characters. Private notes. This is an area for your own use. No one else can view it. You can make note of companies, job ID numbers, or people you have already contacted. Newsletter. If you would like a copy of our newsletter, check here. Make public. If you want your information to be viewed by others, check yes. Otherwise, leave this off. Maybe your profile is not complete, such as a new account, or you may want to temporarily suspend viewing due to an interview. You can switch modes at any time. Either way, this does not prevent you from submitting your profile to a job listing. We also have basic help notes available on the right of this page. Click Update to save your changes. Now click on the tab View Profiles. This is where you can view profiles of other job seekers. This is a great way to see samples of what others are doing. The field keyword is great to find specific types of people. To narrow your search to cities and states, enter in the information. You can type in your own user ID to immediately find your own profile. Let's do a search. A report is generated. For additional information, the Details button is available to you. By clicking on the top of most columns, you can sort by city, state, etc. Under Detail, note that the title and resume information is limited without identity and contact information. For additional help, click on the Help button. To look for a job, click on Job Listings, where our users have posted positions that need to be filled. You can be specific in your search with keywords and/or narrow your search by location. If you already know a job ID, enter it here to go to it directly. Let's do a search. By clicking on the top of most columns, you can sort by city, state, etc. Click the Details button to view all information about a job listing. Note that you will see the job posting's title, the when it was created, and when the job will be filled, the job ID number, which you can use for future reference. The description is all the details about the job opening. The company will be shown here if the company so chooses. Sometimes a company will keep its name private. Contact information is available when a company chooses to. The location is always shown and the web link for the company may be there. The attachments may be available with more details, which could be a Word file, PDF, or something else. If you decide you want to send that company your resume, click on the Send Profile button. When you do this, your profile and resume is sent. This includes your name, phone number, email address, etc. Under Notes, add any additional or specific communication that you want to send. Your web link and LinkedIn are shown here, so you can click on them and confirm they are correct and up to date. In the field Attachment, upload your resume, as the one from your profile is not included, nor is your photo sent during this process. Again, this allows you to choose a specific resume if you need to.